Okay, so today we will have a quick demo of our AIVerse project. We have added some new features, so just we will go through each. So this is the main functionality that we have already explained, and mainly we have added a new feature which is RAG implementation. Uh, for RAG, we have used ChromaDB, and here, as you can see, this plus icon, we can actually select any knowledge base that we have. Currently, we only have one RAG knowledge base, or we can say a collection of documents. So it could be your product documentation or anything which you want your model to be referenced when producing responses. So let's say that if we collect this if we use this collection or this knowledge base, so whenever we will chat in the system by selecting this knowledge base, so we will get more precise responses in context to that knowledge base. So this is how RAG works. So this is one of the features, and then here we can select a model. Here we are only specifying the Groq models. The system also support other models like by other providers like Ollama. If we want to use those, we can switch the provider and its models will appear here. The next important features that we would like to share is our new dashboard page. We have a simple dashboard with analytics, and here admin can manage the users. Here we can actually manage our RAG collection. We can define new collections. Let's say you have multiple products and you want to have a specific chat assistant for each of the products, so you can define your collections, and then you can create the chat assistants on the front end side for each of the product. So this is a simple RAG collection management. Here you can define multiple sources. You can add a source using GitHub repositories, and or you can upload them manually by uploading the files over here. So this is how the RAG works, and then admin can see all conversations here and they can filter it as well. So this is basically the main feature. And then we have also created a chat assistant chat box over here, and you can simply assign any knowledge base to this assistant, so that if someone asks a question, so let's say we ask a question about our Versana theme. So let's say what what do you know about Versana block theme? So this is basically a WordPress theme that we have developed, and we want our assistant to specify that code base and precisely answer our question. So as you can see, it is correctly referencing our knowledge base, which we have called it as Versana ecosystem. We have actually provided our complete code base for this theme so that it can precisely answer the questions. It also has the sources mentioning as well. So this is how it all works. Basically, it is a complete full stack AI project with main features as RAG implementation. Then we have a chat assistant. We have used FastAPI, and for frontend we have used React, and it is secure and scalable and completely deployable using CI/CD